So if you landed on this video, it seems like a safe assumption to make that you're looking to create and sell an online course, and that you're comparing Teachable with LifterLMS, or perhaps more generally WordPress, as your platform of choice. On the surface, both platforms seem to solve the same problem: create lessons, organize content, and deliver training to students. Seems simple enough, right? Sure, but as you probably know, at least to some extent if you're already comparing them, you'll also know that they represent two completely different philosophies about the kind of business you're building. The moment you start to go past the surface level information covered in most other written and video comparisons, the choice does become a lot clearer. So, without further ado, let's break it down. Teachable is a hosted course platform. You sign up, you get a ready-made environment to upload videos, organize lessons, and sell access. The platform handles hosting, checkout, and student management. That convenience is the main reason people consider it. WordPress is open source software that powers over 40% of the internet. When you install WordPress and add a learning management plugin like LifterLMS, you're building your own website and course platform, one that you fully own, fully control, and run on your own infrastructure. A helpful analogy to think about this difference is, using Teachable is a bit like renting a classroom inside someone else's building. It's convenient and you can start teaching right away, but the structure around you belongs to the platform. Using WordPress is more like owning the building itself. A common way people frame this comparison is that Teachable is easier to start with and WordPress is better once you grow. That framing is a great theoretical dream that a lot of SaaS platforms use to sell their products to beginners. In reality, it falls apart the moment you look at what starting with Teachable actually costs. So, let's talk about pricing for a moment, because this is where the comparison already starts to get interesting. Teachable's cheapest paid plan is $39 per month. That's $468 per year, and on that starter plan, you're limited to just 5 products, and Teachable takes a 7.5% transaction fee on every sale you make. So if you sell $10,000 worth of courses in your first year, Teachable takes an extra $750 off the top in transaction fees alone. This is in addition to what Stripe takes, on top of the $468 in subscription fees you'd already be paying. That's over $1,200 in your first year on their cheapest plan. Sadly, that's not all. Let's say you want to remove Teachable's branding from your site, so it isn't just a billboard for someone else's product. Well, that requires the growth plan at $189 per month. That's $2,268 per year to remove someone else's logo from what should be your own course business. Now compare that to LifterLMS. The core LifterLMS plugin is completely free. Unlimited courses, unlimited students, unlimited memberships. You simply install it on any WordPress site and start building immediately. If you need payment processing, the Earth bundle is $199 per year to get started and includes Stripe, PayPal, and WooCommerce. No transaction fees beyond what the payment processor itself charges, which you'd also pay on Teachable anyway. So in your first year, Teachable's cheapest option costs you $468 plus 7.5% of your revenue, with a whole range of limits including plastering their branding on your site. LifterLMS costs you nothing to start, or $199 for the whole year for the full e-commerce setup, with unlimited products and 0 platform fees. Put lightly, the idea that Teachable is the cheaper or easier starting point simply doesn't hold up in practice. Not to mention that most courses don't launch in the first 6 months because setting up your content in the LMS, testing and conducting research all take time. Time where even if you aren't yet making any money, even if you haven't launched yet, you'd still be paying Teachable, but could be running everything with the free LifterLMS core. Now let's talk about the ease of use argument, because that's one of the other things you'll often hear Teachable affiliates say. Yes, Teachable removes some upfront decisions. You don't choose a hosting provider as you do with LifterLMS and WordPress, you don't install WordPress, and the environment is ready when you sign up. But how much time are we actually talking about? First of all, we're making the bold assumption that you don't already have a WordPress site as your main website. Quite unlikely to begin with. However, if true, setting up a WordPress site with a hosting provider takes less than 30 minutes. Almost all popular hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installs, and installing LifterLMS is the same as installing any WordPress plugin. You search for it, click install, and click activate. The course builder is visual and drag and drop. You don't need to write code, but, and critically, can if and when you do want to. So the convenience gap between the two platforms is roughly 1 hour of initial setup. In exchange for that 1 hour, however, you do get full ownership of your platform, your data, your content, and your student relationships from day one, and you pay significantly less for it. That's a trade-off that makes sense at any stage, whether you're launching your first course or an experienced course creator looking for the best platform for your next flagship course. And on that note, let's talk about what happens as your course business actually grows, because this is where the gap between the two platforms gets even wider. On Teachable, growth comes with constraints. You're limited to a fixed number of products per plan. If you want more than 10 courses, you need to upgrade to the growth plan at $189 per month. More than 50, and you're already on the advanced plan at $399 per month. That's nearly $4,800 a year, and you still don't have anything that you fully own or can control. Not to mention, you're also locked into Teachable's basic templates, which means your site will look like a very templated basic course site. Teachable's checkout flow, and Teachable's rules about how your business operates. Want a custom integration that Teachable doesn't support? Well, you're out of luck. Want to build a membership community alongside your courses? Want to run your course business alongside your main website under one roof, under one brand? Well, it sounds like it's time to start planning your migration already. With LifterLMS on WordPress, none of these limits exist. You can create unlimited courses from day one. You can build memberships, coaching programs, course bundles, and community spaces, all within the same platform you already use for your main website. You can integrate with any email marketing platform and CRM. You can customize every single part of the experience because you have full access to the underlying code and the entire WordPress ecosystem of plugins and themes. And on top of it all, pricing doesn't change based on how many courses you create or how many students you enroll. When your course business runs on Teachable, your content, your student data, and your revenue history all live on their servers. If Teachable changes their pricing, which they have done quite a few times in the past, makes changes to their terms, or shuts down a feature you depend on, you're simply forced to adapt to their decisions. If you want to leave, migrating off of a hosted platform is painful. Your course structure, your student accounts, your transaction history are not easy to transfer. With WordPress, everything is yours. Your content sits in your database on your server. It's your student data, your course structure, your payment records, all of it. You can switch hosting providers, change themes, add new tools, or bring in a developer to build custom features, all without asking anyone for permission. Okay, so we've covered quite a lot of ground here. Let's bring this all together. Teachable isn't a bad product, of course. For some people, its simplicity is enough, and they can work with the limitations. People have built real businesses on it. But the common framing that it's the better choice for beginners doesn't hold up when you compare the actual costs, the actual difference in setup time, and the actual limitations. LifterLMS is free to start, and even if we are to entertain the idea that it may take about 1 to 2 hours longer to set up than Teachable, it gives you unlimited courses, a platform you can control, and can build on from day one. And as your business grows, you're not hitting product limits, paying escalating monthly fees, or trying to work around a hosted platform's restrictions. All of that said, you don't have to take my word for it. You can hear it straight from our customers. If you want to see what that looks like in practice, learn more and get started with LifterLMS today at lifterlms.com/pricing. Start for free with a trial site or with the plan that makes sense for your course business. And if you have absolutely any questions for us, please never hesitate to get in touch. We are here and always happy to help. Real humans, by the way, not just AI-generated support replies, which, as you can imagine, is more than can be said for others. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison useful, please subscribe. We publish breakdowns like this regularly, and if there's any other platform you'd like us to compare against LifterLMS, drop it in the comments. We might cover it in a future video. And I'll see you in the next one.